Hey, welcome to Artistupfor. We are back with a lot of amazing artworks again after a break. Today's video is about an easy watercolor painting illustration. My aim is to show you how you can easily develop your watercolor skills or how to blend properly for perfect and realistic tones. Our channel has more videos on watercolor paintings, link in the I button and also in the description. Don't forget to check them all. Make sure you subscribe this channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Do enjoy.
I'm going crazy. I need some saving. These echoes got me falling on the ground. I'm going crazy. I miss you, baby. These echoes got me falling on the ground. Who is perfect? 'Cause you're not. Slamming doors and screaming loud. It was beautiful at first, till it got to its worst. Yesterday got me going crazy, just like the day before. I can't rely on myself anymore. I'm going crazy. I need some saving. These echoes got me falling on the ground. I'm going crazy. I miss you, baby. These echoes got me falling on the ground.
Hey, if this video helps you for your artwork, do let us know. Follow us on our social media, links are in the description. Do like, comment and share with your friends. Also subscribe this channel for more videos.
I'm a sinner, but you're no saint. There's no winner but twisted complaints. So now you got someone else's shoulder to remind you that our love is over. I'm going crazy.
Let me know if you like this video or if it helps you for your artwork, or if you have any queries, comment down below or DM us on our social media. Links are in description, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.